Are you suffering from hip joint pains during pregnancy?
Hip joint pains during pregnancy are a pain in the hips.
Most expectant mothers start experiencing hip joint pains during the second and third trimester of their pregnancy, so you are definitely not alone.
Doctors and physicians relate this to many factors, which includes having to sleep on your side, increasing pressure and weight.
Not like you can avoid any of these.
The growing and expanding uterus could also be pressing on sciatica nerves, causing the pains.
Everything is getting bigger, which is causing more strain on your nerves, both physically and emotionally.
Most pregnant women find it very hard to sleep during the final trimester, as no sleeping style seems to make it any easier.
You, however, do not have to live with hip joint pains during pregnancy, as there are several effective remedies.
The most recommended and effective way of dealing with hip joint pains during pregnancy is by trying water workouts.
Plus, the water makes you feel weightless, which is a huge relief during this time.
The final trimester poses many challenges to a pregnant woman, and since she has to keep her body fit and in check, walking is not always recommended.
Due to the extra weight, your hip joints have to take on excess pressure, causing the pains. You can, however, benefit fully by swimming at least once in a week.
Swimming involves inducing all body muscles without necessarily putting too much pressure on hip joints and muscles surrounding the same.
An iliac brace is also an excellent remedy for hip joint pains during pregnancy.
Also known as a pregnancy belt, an iliac brace helps support your back, thus reducing the amount of pressure exerted on hip joints.
These pains subside as soon as one has delivered, thus not a permanent problem. That just gives you one more reason to look forward to labor and delivery.
If the joint pains are unbearable, then consider placing some ice on the paining joints. This will help the muscles to relax and ease the pains.
You could also try a TENS unit or a heating pad. Just be sure not to put the heating pad on your belly,